गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7, सब्जेक्ट है सोशल साइंस, चैप्टर है 5, लोकेशन एंड टाइम। ये चैप्टर आपका एक्सप्लेन हो गया। कल मैंने आपको 4 तक क्वेश्चन आंसर भी करवा दिया। आज आपका 5 है क्वेश्चन नंबर। फाइंड आउट द लॉन्गिट्यूड ऑफ योर प्लेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ ओवरहेड सन एट नून। आंसर है I live in Dahod. When the sun was overhead in Dahod on 1st September, the time approximately 12 hours 28 minutes seconds. Now by deducting by 12 hours from 12 hours 28 minutes 8 seconds, only 28 minutes 8 seconds are left. To get the longitude, the 28 minutes 8 seconds divide 4 will give 7.2 longitude. The longitude of the house can be calculated by subtracting this answer from the Indian Standard Time. We get 82.5 Celsius minus 7.2. तो आंसर आएगा इज इक्वल टू 75.3 सेल्सियस विच इज़ द लॉन्गिट्यूड फॉर दाहोद। अब इसके बाद आपके आएंगे गिव रीज़न। नंबर 1, डिफरेंट प्लेस ऑन द अर्थ हैव डिफरेंट टाइम अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉन्गिट्यूड्स। तो आंसर आएगा द टाइम ऑफ एनी प्लेस इज डिसाइडेड द पोजीशन ऑफ द सन। Time of different places is calculated with the help of the longitudes. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are total 360 longitude. So 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. कितना hour? 1 hour. So every longitude takes 4 minutes to pass by the sun. There is a difference of 4 minutes between two successive longitudes. This way, different places on the earth have different time according to their longitudes. Number 2 है time of the places in the east is ahead than the time of the places in the west, और time of the places in the west is behind than the places in the east. Answer है the earth moves from west to east on its axis. So the places in the east come before the sun earlier and the places in the west come before the sun afterwards. So the time of the places in the east is ahead than the places in the west. Number 3 है as per the longitudes it is not noon time simultaneously over Ahmedabad and New Delhi. So Ahmedabad is on 73 Celsius is longitude, while Delhi is on 77 is longitude. The difference between the longitude 77 minus 73. So 4 longitudes. One longitude difference of 4 minutes. The 4 longitudes 4 multiply 4, the 16 minutes difference. Thus there is a difference of 16 minutes of their local times. Delhi is in the east of Ahmedabad, so the Delhi time is ahead by the 16 minutes. When it is 12 noon in Ahmedabad, it would be 12 and 16 in Delhi. So it is not noon time simultaneously over Ahmedabad and New Delhi as per the longitude. Answer the following questions in brief. Through which countries does the 0 Celsius latitude pass? तो आंसर आएगा the 0 Celsius latitude passes through Singapore, Colombia, Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Ecuador, Malaysia, etc. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 है थ्रू विच कंट्रीज टू द 23.5 सेल्सियस एंड लेटीट्यूड एंड 23.5 सेल्सियस लेटीट्यूड्स पास। तो आंसर आएगा द 23.5 सेल्सियस एंड लेटीट्यूड्स पासेस थ्रू मैक्सिको Algeria, Libya, Egypt, India, Myanmar, China, etc. The 23.5 latitude passes through Chile, Brazil, Namibia, Australia, Mozambique, Botswana, etc. Number 3. Names of few countries are given below. In which direction from zero latitudes are they situated? Find out with the help of an atlas and a globe. Kenya, Chile, South Africa, Egypt, Russia and Canada. तो कंट्री है और डायरेक्शन, केनिया नॉर्थ, मंगोलिया नॉर्थ, चिली साउथ and Canada north, South Africa south, Egypt north and Russia north direction. Number 4. Through which country does the 0 Celsius longitude pass in the world map? तो आंसर आएगा the 0 longitude passes through Greenwich in London in England. Number 5. With the help of the map, find out the countries in the east and in the west of 0 Celsius longitude. तो आंसर आएगा on the basis of the 0 Celsius longitude Greenwich line, some countries are given in the table below. Countries in the east and countries in the west. Countries in the east: India, Iran, Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Germany, etc. Countries in the west: Canada, America, Mexico, Brazil, Colombia, etc. Next, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. What is latitude? Answer आएगा the imaginary horizontal lines drawn on the globe are called latitudes. Number 2. What is meant by northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere? The answer आएगा the 0 Celsius latitude is equator. The upper half from is northern hemisphere and the lower half is southern hemisphere. Next, question number 3. Which countries are in southern hemisphere? The answer आएगा India, China, Pakistan, etc. are some of the countries in northern hemisphere. Number 4. Which countries are in southern hemisphere? The answer आएगा Australia, New Zealand, Peru, South Africa, Argentina, etc. are some of the countries in southern hemisphere. Next, number 5. Between which latitude is India located? India is located between 8 Celsius north to 37 north latitudes. Number 6. What is longitude? Answer आएगा the imaginary vertical lines drawn on the globe are called longitudes. Number 7 है 0 Celsius longitude passes through where? The 0 Celsius longitude passes through Greenwich in London in England. What is international data line? The 180 Celsius longitude is known as international data line. International date line, sorry. Next, what is called eastern hemisphere? Answer है the area to the right of 0 Celsius Greenwich time up to 180 longitude is called eastern hemisphere. What is called western hemisphere? The area to the left of 0 Celsius Greenwich line up to 180 Celsius longitude is called western hemisphere. Number 11. India is situated between which longitudes? India is situated in the eastern hemisphere between 68 Celsius is longitude to 97 is longitudes. Number 12. What is called standard time? The local time of a central place of a nation is considered to be the standard time for the entire nation. In other words, a time for the entire nation is decided from the time of that place and that is called the standard time of the nation. Next, question number 13 है How many major longitudes are there? Where are they? There are two major longitudes. There are Greenwich line and International Date line. Number 14. What can be known with the help of the longitudes? आंसर आएगा टू थिंग्स कैन बी नोन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द लॉन्गिट्यूड इज बेस्ट लोकेशन एंड लोकल एंड स्टैंडर्ड टाइम ऑफ एनी प्लेस। ये आपका क्या हो गया 1 to सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हो गए। अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके यहाँ डिफरेंस बिटवीन करवाऊँगी। ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न करना है। थैंक यू।